Over the last 3 to 5 years, Softcat's been expanding and maturing its cloud service portfolio. This is driven by external factors such as 83% of UK organisations citing a skills challenge when working with new cloud technology. But that's compounded by internal factors that Softcat has, such as the need to deepen its partnerships with Microsoft and AWS. However, to achieve that outcome, Softcat was required to reimagine the way in which it was engaging with its customers through a single central interface.
Matt had worked with one of our other clients, not directly with us, but he was kind of aware of us. And then so we had a few conversations with him about how we work and how we kind of partner with clients and the benefits we could give to him.
When we went through that exercise, we found that Headforwards provided the most beneficial partnership for Softcat when looking at a bunch of different factors they could service as part of that partnership. Linked to that, the ability to use a joint project team formed of Softcat and Headforwards resource to ensure that Softcat were always part of the process and had all the knowledge at the end to support the end product.
What the Softcat team member would do is that anything that needed to be handled on the client side, they would be responsible for that, and then we could focus on the key goal, which was to write good software. So I think ultimately that helped us deliver quickly, because then we didn't have to worry about navigating through all their processes.
They explicitly wanted to pass the Azure Microsoft audit, and it had to meet a bunch of very specific regulatory requirements, and it was down to us to sort of figure out how we can deliver a cloud management portal that meets all those requirements and also delivers some sort of user need, and find what the minimum viable version of that is.
Our initial plan estimated 15 months from start to finish to deliver the product. In reality, we took just over that, about 18 months, but actually that was absolutely perfect for Softcat, considering we changed the scope a number of times along the way.
It feels really straightforward when you talk about building something. It kind of feels like a house, it's really clear, we'll just build it, it looks like this. But it never is like that. It's always different. There's always something that comes up and catches you off guard. The big value of working with us is that we can provide a team that's tailored to fit what we think you need right now, and then evolve that as needed.
Going forwards, I'd absolutely work with Headforwards again. The net result was Softcat being able to deliver a project on time, on budget, that enabled us to deepen our partnerships with our customers, Microsoft and AWS.